Hello, loves. I'm K.Hill of lockccessories.com, your online home for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And tonight I'm coming on for a quick curl chat. This month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, as you know, and the whole nation gets painted pink during the month of October. And I wanted to let you know, in case you hadn't stopped by the website lately, I do have a recent blog post. It's called More Than a Pretty Pink Ribbon. And it talks about breast health, of course, and it talks about alternatives to mammograms. Mammograms, of course, is your option. But one thing I wanted to point out to you guys, if you go to the website, this is the blog post, more than just a pretty pink ribbon. But at the bottom, if you scroll down, I don't think I can get it in here. If you scroll down, I wanted to make sure that you knew about the self-check app that's available in the App Store. It's called Self-Check Reminder App. And what it does is when you download the app, it'll give you a quick reminder every month to do your self-check. Because you know your body best. And you know when there are changes that might occur that might not be normal for you. And if that happens, of course, you'll be the first to know, and then you can go and make a doctor's appointment. And that's on top of your normal doctor's visits to have your exams. But I thought that was a great app, and I wanted to make sure that you knew about it. So when you have some time, actually make some time to visit the website, or you can go straight to, visit the website to check out the blog, because there's a lot of good information there. There's a reference to a great cancer awareness, cancer proactiveness series. It's a video documentary series that's going on, and you can sign up there, as well as there's a trailer for a video that talks about just the pink movement in general. So definitely check out the website and check out that recent blog. When you visit lockccessories.com, just scroll to the bottom and you'll see where it says most recent blog posts, and More Than Just a Pretty Pink Ribbon is the first one listed there. So be sure to check that out. I also wanted to take a second and tell you about, of course, this month inspired me to go into the studio and create some hair accessories that are in support of breast cancer awareness. And so I do have a few pieces that I wanted to show you and make sure that you knew that they were on the site and available as well. We have this Loctite. Actually, this lock jewel was in this month's subscription box. I have the Healthy Locks subscription box, and that goes out each and every month. You can sign up on the site. You can click on the link that says join the club, and that'll be available there. But this was our feature, our feature lock jewel that was in this month's box. It came along with a magic wrap bun holder, lock ponytail holder, and it also had a custom Locks of Hope t-shirt in there as well. So unfortunately you did miss out on that one, but I do still have two other breast cancer awareness lock jewels that are available on the site, and this one is the first one. Can you see that? And this is the pencil size lock jewel. So if you have pencil size locks, you would order this one. I do have attachments available in 4 sizes. I have micro, pencil, nickel, and dime, or diamond nickel. So if you have larger locks, I can accommodate those as well. Just drop a note in the comments to let me know what size you need, if it's other than the standard size, which is the pencil size. So again, that is the first design. And you'll see the charm here says hope there, and then it has a breast cancer awareness bead, custom bead. I'm working backwards here, so forgive me. And then it has a crystal pink ribbon. The other lock jewel that I have available on the site is this style. There. So this features a glass bead with pink crystal accents, and then the pink awareness ribbon charm at the bottom. And they're fairly, I would say this one is 4 inches long. This one is 4 inches long. So it makes a great charm, great hair accessory there. And then this one, let's see how the length of this one. This one is just shy of 4 inches, so it's a little bit shorter. So again, those are available on the website. I just want to make sure that you are aware of them for as our feature for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Erica, hi Erica, thanks for stopping by. Do you have the I don't know if you just joined us, but I wanted to make sure that you were aware that we do have some resources available on the website in this month's latest blog post about breast cancer awareness and breast health. So stop on by the website, lockccessories.com, and check out the latest blog post. There is a breast self-check app that I want you to download and make sure you have on your phone, and it just helps you remember to check for breast health every month, and it shows you how to perform a self-check in the proper way, and just make sure that you're informed, and I do want you to be informed. So stop on by when you have a moment this evening and you're in between shows or whatnot, and make sure you're up to date on that. So I won't keep you. I know it's Saturday and people have parties to go to. You know, it's Halloween weekend. I did have a party myself, but I punked out. Had my outfit already. I was going to be a mermaid, but I punked out, and I'll be working this evening. So I do hope you enjoyed your Halloween weekend, and that's it for tonight. So again, I'm K.Hill of lockccessories.com, your online resource for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. So stop on by the website. I have a full product line of hair accessories and hair maintenance tools to make your natural hair and lock journey a heck of a lot easier. So until next time, be well.